Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to share my hits and misses for the month of July with you. I just want to share some of my favorites and some of the products that didn't work out so well for me. So if you guys want to see all my favorites, then just keep on watching. So the first couple of products I want to share with you guys aren't makeup, but it's makeup related. So the first thing is the Solid Blender Cleanser. I don't know if any of you guys have used this before, but I've been using this to clean my brushes all month. I mean, there's a lot of product in here. So when you open it up inside, it has like the cleanser bar in here. Actually, I don't even feel like I've used that much. Like, there's so much in here. I feel like this is gonna last me a really long time. A while back, I did a video on my Real Techniques brushes and how I used to clean them, and I used to just use a facial cleanser, and that's fine if you guys want to do that. That lasts a long time too, but I just really like how this cleans my eyeshadow brushes. Like, I use that all the time. Just as a little side note for those of you who didn't know, I went out and bought a couple of different Morphe brushes, and when I first cleaned them using that cleaner, I thought that I ruined my brushes, honestly, because it's like I got them in the mail, they were really nice, I used them a little bit, then I went to clean them, and when they dried up, it was like the shape of them had been ruined, and I was so upset at first. I really thought that I messed up my favorite Morphe brushes. I didn't. What you should do after you get done cleaning your eyeshadow brushes with that is take a paper towel and wrap it tightly around your brushes and then let them dry. Like, just let them sit there all night and dry, and then just take the paper towel off in the morning and your brushes are going to be fine. I actually found that out from a video, like a really old video I think that Manny made, because I really thought that I ruined my brushes and I was so worried about it that I went looking for it on YouTube to see if there was a way that I could fix it. Ever since, that's what I do every single time I clean my brushes now, and I haven't had a problem with it since. The second thing is also a brush cleaner. I don't know what was with me being obsessed with brush cleaners this month, but I got the Sonia Kashuk Quick Clean Dry Brush Spray. It looks like this. I got the tiny, like, travel size bottle just because I wasn't sure if I was gonna like it or not. Casey Holmes has been recommending this forever. I love this stuff. This is perfect for when you want to continue to use the same eyeshadow brush, but you don't want to like get that same color all over your lid or whatever, you know, you don't want to mix it up. You spray a little bit of that on your brush and then swirl it around in a paper towel, and then you can just keep on going doing your makeup. For me, I don't usually do that because I have like quite a bit of eyeshadow brushes. I mean, I will if I need to, but actually today, like after I got done doing this look, I just sprayed my brushes real quick and swirled them around on a paper towel and then put them up so that way they won't be so dirty next time, because I use like a really dark shade, but I don't want that shade to stay on there, and I don't want to clean my makeup brushes like every single day. Do you know what I mean? Like, I just feel like that would dry them out really badly and probably ruin them. So yeah, I love that. Works great. It does have a really strong scent though, I just want to warn you guys. I didn't think it was going to smell like that, but it has like a really strong perfume scent. I haven't noticed it irritating my eyes, so I don't know if it would, but yeah, it hasn't so far. The last thing that's not really makeup related and it's going to seem really silly is a facial cleanser. I already shared with you guys my favorite facial cleanser, and I'm still using that. It's the simple one. I love using that stuff in the morning. It's like really gentle on my skin, but like I'm switching birth controls right now, so I don't know. It's really been messing with my skin really bad, and I was broken out all over my face and I couldn't take it anymore. I went to like Dollar General or something. I think you can get this there. You might be able to get it at Walmart, but I got the Clearasil Ultra 5-in-1 Exfoliator. I've only been using this stuff for a week, and it's taking care of so much of my acne. I'm so happy because honestly, guys, I didn't even want to leave the house without wearing makeup, and I didn't even like the way makeup was looking on my face anymore because my face was so broken out. Like, I could just see the bumps everywhere. I mean, you can cover redness, but you can't cover the bumps, and it was driving me crazy. I just was really unhappy with how my skin was looking. I'm going to warn you guys, I do have like really dry, sensitive skin, and it does dry me out really bad. I know for me during winter, I probably wouldn't use that so much. Right now, I've been using it twice a day instead of using my Simple all the time, just because I'm trying to take care of that breakout. But I probably will switch it back to once a day, and during winter, it might be like once every other day or something like that, because it does make your skin dry. So if you're going to use this and you have dry skin already, I would definitely recommend moisturizing afterwards. And if you have oily skin, you're probably going to love it, honestly. Now, I made a foundation review, but it was like a first impression, all day wear test on this, and I also wore it in that video where my dog picked out my makeup, and I just wanted to give it like an extra shot or whatever. I still really don't like this. Like, I know that this is a miss for me now after I've worn it a couple of times. I just can't seem to work with it. I've used a couple different primers with it. It still does not work for me. It makes my face turn into like a grease ball, and I have dry skin. Like, I can't even imagine if you have oily skin. I really don't like that foundation, and I feel so bad because I do love Makeup Revolution. There's so many products of theirs that I like, but this foundation just doesn't work for me. Not everything is going to work for everybody though. My skin type is different, so I mean, if you guys love it, that's great. Hopefully it works well for you. It's not for me. You know how that goes. My next favorite is the ColourPop No Filter Concealer. I got this shade in Fair 02. This stuff is so light, but this one I like to use for brightening my under eyes. So sometimes I'll mix my favorite Makeup Revolution concealer. I'll use that one like all over my under eyes, and then I'll just use a tiny bit of this on my inner corner just to brighten up that part and like hide my dark circles. So I really like to use it for that part because I get more dark like on my inner corners than anything. Oh, one of my new favorite products is the Maybelline Master Prime Hydrate and Smooth Primer. I cannot believe I haven't tried this out sooner. This is my favorite. Seriously, I love the way foundation sits on this. You guys know I have dry skin, and I feel like it helps foundation not sink into my lines so much. I can't believe I didn't try this out sooner. Seriously, everybody's been raving about that for months. I feel like ever since it came out, I've seen some of my favorite girls use it repeatedly. I just now purchased it. I love it. So in our BoxyCharms, we got the Chella Eyebrow Cream. This one I'm not really so much of a fan of. I mean, we got it randomly in our boxes. It's the taupe shade. It's a little too dark on me. The only thing I really hate about it is the packaging, because I feel like it's really weird dipping inside of here. I get why they did it because it's like for travel. That's why it blended out fine on my eyebrows, and if it was my shade it would probably be really nice, and I felt like it kind of coated my brows, so I liked that. I pretty much just don't like the packaging of this stuff, and the shade's not right for me. Other than that, it's an okay product. Another thing we got was the Note Blush. I got mine in Desert Rose. It's a super pretty shade. I'm wearing it today on my cheeks. I really do like this blush. I just have to go extremely light-handed. If you guys are going to try this, do not apply a lot. It has a lot of kick up, and I have to tap off my brush a lot. And then if I do overdo it, I'll take the same brush I use to like set my face with my setting powder, and I'll just go over it with that brush just to like tone it down a little bit. I have to share the stuff I got in the BoxyCharm with you guys because I'm always trying it on that first day when I'm unboxing it, and I'm giving you guys my first impressions. But I always like to tell you guys what I think of the products after I've tried them out a couple times. And this Wander Beauty Unlashed Volume and Curl Mascara. I feel like the stuff is amazing. I'm wearing it on my lashes today. It curls my lashes really nicely, and it just doesn't get super clumpy. I love this. As for highlighter, the Milani Afterglow highlighter is my absolute favorite. I love this stuff. I did a glowing summer makeup tutorial video on that highlighter. I just love it. I put it all over my face. It's been my favorite thing when I want that blinding highlight. It's just so pretty. It just melts right into the skin, and I don't know. I love it. It's not like glittery at all. It just looks so pretty. Alright, so the last things I have to share with you guys today are lip products, and I have some hits and misses. I went out and purchased the new NYX Suede matte lipsticks. I really like these. I don't know where my other one is for some reason. I must have thrown it in the car or in my purse. I don't know. But I got two different shades, but the one I have on me is Dainty Days. It's like I think it's the lightest shade in their new range that they were selling, but it's super pretty. It's just like a really nice nude lipstick, and I feel like it's perfect to kind of like dab in the middle of your lips to lighten up a darker shade, so I really liked that. But I picked up the NYX Suede matte lip liners, and I don't know why. I apparently tried these before, and I thought that the new ones were like a different formula or something. I forgot that I didn't really care for them, so I have like 3 different colors, but I don't really care for them that much. I have Stockholm, Free Spirit, and Dainty Days to match that lipstick, and I really do like the colors, but I'm just not a fan of these lip liners because they're like wood lip liners. I feel like they were like tugging on my lips, and it was kind of hard to fill in my whole lips. If I'm going to use a lip liner, I really want something that's nice and smooth that just glides right on. Otherwise, it's just not for me. So, and then of course you guys probably know this, but my favorite new like lip product has been the Ultra Blotted Lips by ColourPop. I did a ColourPop swatch video on this. I just love those. I can't wait to buy more shades. I'm obsessed. It's what I'm wearing on my lips today. I'm wearing the shade Love Bite. I'll leave everything linked down below, but So yeah, guys, that's it for this month's hits and misses. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please be sure to give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you guys next time. Bye, guys.